There are certain similarities between light and sound, such as the fact that sound goes out from a specific source, such as an instrument or a loud machine. However, there are also fundamental contrasts between light and sound that are worth mentioning. We know that light can travel into a vacuum since sunlight must travel through the space in order to reach us, here on the Earth's surface at all. Sound, on the other hand, cannot travel in a vacuum. It requires a medium such as air, water, glass, or metal to do so. Every feature of a physical setting has an impact on how sound interacts with the real world. A sound wave traveling through the air is affected by all atmospheric variables, as well as the process of reflection, absorption, and transmission at every surface it comes into contact with. In contexts where acoustic communication plays a significant role, this type of information is helpful in anticipating and defining how sound behaves, as well as managing or modifying its behavior. A sound source might be either natural or artificial. Human society thrives and grows in a sound environment that is shaped by the sounds of nature. Individually or collectively, people come into contact with the origins of the noises they hear and begin to recognize them even when they are not physically there. A person's spatial orientation is established via the use of sound characteristics, and he or she is able to know where he or she is without looking. A sound can tell us a lot about an object even if we can't see it. In the information domain, these sound signal generators become sound communicators. The wide range of sound sources is amplified by the ambient noise. These sound sources are distinct from one another because of their unique characteristics. The sound components that constitute the content of the sound picture must be logically linked to the visual. Technically speaking, the microphone is a device that transforms mechanical sound waves into electrical ones. The modern sound mixtures are equipped with what are commonly referred to as mic inputs. There are numerous types of microphones based on their technological design and physical dimensions, like electrodynamic and capacitor, approach type. It is possible to use dynamic microphones that are either connected or equipped with radio transceivers. In addition, there are microphones that may be worn as a brooch. Capacitor microphones require a separate power supply to operate. When interacting with the show's attendees, the presenter may move around a lot more easier using a brooch microphone. Another benefit is that they don't drastically alter the distance between the mouth and the microphone, ensuring that the sound engineer's mixing desk isn't jarred by sudden changes in loudness. Listening intently to the noise around us with our eyes closed and lips moving in synchronization is how we begin to communicate via our auditory senses. It's a good example of how a person's daily life and mood may be enhanced by a wide range of auditory information. The most efficient method to use sound as a media is to make it into a source of information. In our daily lives, sound plays a critical role. As a means of communication, humans have developed this talent into spoken language and music, which is essentially a sound-based system for communicating emotions. There are a number of distinct sound technologies that are already developed. From simple drums and percussion instruments to advanced electronic synthesizers, there is a wide variety of musical instruments that can produce a wide range of musical sounds. On compact discs, we may record sounds, as well as on newer technologies such as MP3, which is sound files saved on computers in highly compressed forms. Ultrasound, a form of high-frequency sound, may be used for a wide range of applications, from cleaning fake teeth to tracking a baby's growth within the womb. As a matter of fact, there is developed speech recognition software that allows computers to recognize our spoken words and then convert them into text. Furthermore, computer technologies allow a wide range of creative interventions in the sound processing of information, adjusting the sound's amplitude and timbre to various reverberations and echo effects, while also adding other sounds, whether documented or produced, is all part of the sound producer's toolkit for creating such an immersive audio experience. Sound processing software is widely available. The most successful one is the one we have studied and practiced most. Software or computer application that permits editing and creation of audio data is known as audio editing software. As a library, a computer program, a web application, or as a loadable kernel model, audio editing software can be built. Digital audio editors, such as those found in wave editors, operate on waveforms. In order to eliminate the undesired noise from voice signals, an audio noise reduction system can be used. There are two types of audio noise reduction: complementary and non-complementary. Before recording, the audio signal must be compressed in a correct manner. Whether it's at the start or finish of the recording, or at another point in between, there are occasions when silence is important. It is possible to apply this effect to any current audio editing program. The first step in creating high-quality audio is evaluating the working environment. High-quality audio is a critical component of a fantastic movie or television show. It's the quickest way to lose your viewers if your audio is terrible. Glitch-free videos are tolerated by many people, but those that don't sound nice have a far lower chance of being seen. Everyone has had the experience of starting to view a video only to discover that the audio is awful despite the film being clear. As a result, the audio doesn't have the benefit of audio production software. There are a wide variety of audio editing techniques used in creation of music and sound effects in audio production softwares. In order to edit an audio clip, one may use these audio production techniques to amplify the sound and even to remove noise. A wide variety of cutting-edge audio editing methods are employed to captivate listeners and keep them engaged throughout the duration of a song or audio clip.